Hello Five Nines, good evening, good morning, and good day. No, so kung asa man ka karon, I'm hoping that you are doing fine, no? Stay safe. Good. So kay nag-vlogger naman kita. So I'm back again, and for today's video, it is just a point of view lang. Actually, I posted it already. So ako ang Facebook page, and naisip na ako na it's much better kung ako siyang i-video. Again, it is just a point of view, no? And nowadays, struggles sa finding a decent job, no? So as what I have posted already, no? So it is really a bloody battle, no? Finding a decent job. No, you need to be very well equipped, no? Not just with your skills, not just with knowledge, but also you need to have your, documents and all, like C2s, diplomas and all, no? So yun lang, but I'm not disregarding na there is also naman sa mga ways to find a job, no, na wala nag-require din na. Pero most of the time, no, or most of the ways good na mangitag trabaho is requiring knowledge, skills, and also your documents. MBA niya, musta man? Okay ra?